So apparently I wash the towels too many times in the house. About every other day, I'll take them out and just throw them into the laundry, and I do the laundry at home.
The answer is probably halfway between every day and once a week, you know, every 4 or 5 uses. The answer is somewhere halfway in between. The issue is not so much the towel as it's the wet, moist environment where there's a lot of humidity in the bathroom. Particularly if you hang a towel on a hook where the towel is stuck together and it doesn't have a chance to dry, that's a problem. Make sure you hang a towel over a rail so the air can circulate. That's really important to avoid mold and bacteria growing. Now, here's an important thing. If your towels are feeling a little tired or have a bit of a funky smell, even after you've washed them, what happens is that the detergent and softener build up in the weave, the heft of the towel. Easy way to clean and refreshen them, you get some baking soda, simple, and you get some vinegar, and you throw these, make a bit of a mixture of that. Oops, I think I just put in too much.
No, actually, that's really impressive. It came exactly to the top.
Okay, I planned it like that.
And you throw this in the machine,
You throw that in the washing machine. The vinegar strips the detergent and conditioner out.
It'll be good for the washing machine, too.
And the baking soda will lift the towel like a new towel, and it will clean the machine.